full. Full. Check in, people. Alright, this morning, today we are going to update, you know? So let's see what I go on. This recently bill, so yesterday this bill. That one here bill yesterday too. So plant out some popcorn and now. Plant out some in this too. And farmer brown up here, so I plant out some more. This make yesterday.
Good morning.
That make
Farmer
yesterday.
brown up on the farm, you know. I put in some sucker, you know. Good morning.
Yeah, man.
And thunder I eat in flitters, you know. I eat in flitters, in
Flitters,
breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there. I plant out some more. You wait up this since morning? I plant out some more pop chow. Oh no?
We want to get some sweet pepper seed too.
We need to get some sweet pepper seed, I know.
Hot pepper. No, hot pepper there.
We need to get some sweet pepper seed. Them here plant out yesterday morning too. This plant yesterday morning. This. That's it here so. Plant yesterday morning also. And some down this, I can show you some callaloo plant yesterday. So them pop chow here, majority of them ready to eat. Like that one here. So them nice and thing. That is it. Hmm? Mm-mm. Soon talk to you about that.
Give me no.
What I have full of popcorn too. Once I them ready. The bed here, them two bed here recently built. Them here pop show also. Down in line here so. String bean. Over there so. String bean again. Just a start bud and get ready for start. Send. See? See blossom them pan them. And see the one here down here so. Have a string bean pan it. See? String bean upon them. So have a portion. You know, food I get ready, you know? Hybrid tomato. Going on fast walk down the line. Carrot. Carrot in this. Carrot in that. Cucumber them here, so. Come up. Cucumber. Tomato. Tomato again. Come on. Hope now you don't get too dizzy. I don't know. Move fast. So this callaloo. Yesterday we do that set there. May I go around and show you. We now close up, you know. See callaloo them look good. That is it. Them here make yesterday. The bed here clean out and mulch up and thing yesterday. So plant them set that set here callaloo yesterday. That set there right there so that set they go down there so too. So come over and we'll plant out this also. All of this a callaloo. Here's a carrot. Carrot and some weed. Bad weed. Sweet potato roll there so. Pop chow for days. Pop chow for days. Man, farmer bro, now that work.
Yeah. Some fertilizer and full manure.
Some full manure, you know.
Yeah, and 30.
And some fertilizer for you too. For your planting tree them up there so. That was good.
Use less fertilizer around them here.
That is it.
You want something to bring them up, you know?
Mm-hmm.